Hello everyone, welcome to Chandigarh Civil Services Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about a grouping called Bimstec. This was a grouping which was discussed in today's The Hindu newspaper. Why? Because it is now 25 years old. It's an adult and now it's important to discuss what has been its achievements, where are the fault lines and how to move ahead. So we'll discuss all these things one by one. Firstly, we'll look at what is BIMSTEC, how it was formed. So it was formed in 1997 through Bangkok Declaration, and initially there were just 4 countries. Who were they? Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Later on, Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar joined. And now in the article it is said that since there is a contestation between US and China today in the world, and वो काफी regions में tension create कर रही है ये rivalry, therefore BIMSTEC का काफी बड़ा role हो जाता है because of this changed world order. Now we'll look at some of the achievements of BIMSTEC till date. So firstly, it has created a charter for itself. It has spelled out its vision very clearly. So it is one achievement. Another achievement is that it has prioritized sectors of cooperation. Initially, there were 14 and now they have narrowed them down to just 7. And each member country heads one priority sector of the cooperation. So it is very well organized in that way. Thirdly, strengthened secretariat. Its secretariat stands now more strong. Also, it has survived through internal tensions. There were many internal tensions in BIMSTEC, through which the organization has survived well and it is functioning well. Also, when we compare BIMSTEC with SAARC or Indian Ocean Rim Association, it holds regular summit as compared to these organizations. ये वाली जो organizations हैं ये काफ़ी infrequently summits hold करती हैं, but BIMSTEC ने काफ़ी regularly summits रखे हैं अपने. Another achievement is that it has taken steps to tackle terrorism, and whenever there was any kind of humanitarian crisis or disaster in any part of the world, it has provided assistance and relief there. So these are some of the achievements of BIMSTEC. Now we'll look at what are the fault lines. Firstly, there is an inability to produce a comprehensive free trade agreement. It has been long awaited और 18 years पहले एक framework ready कर लिया गया था regarding the free trade agreement, but वो अभी तक हुआ ही नहीं है. So this is one fault line. Another fault line is poor connectivity in infrastructure. When infrastructure is hindered, it hinders bringing people closer together through trade, tourism and cultural exchanges. So there is a need for better connectivity. Another fault line is there was a term called blue economy that was talked about, but उसके ऊपर काम ही शुरू ज़्यादा नहीं किया गया. So this is one area where there needs to be improvement. Another thing is that जो business chambers हैं और corporate leaders हैं वो BIMSTEC के साथ officially engage नहीं कर रहे हैं पूरी तरीके से. तो matters जो भी आते हैं तो वो किसके hands में रहते हैं? या तो officials के या तो जो भी BIMSTEC के experts हैं. So business chambers की involvement और corporate leaders की involvement बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है जो कि नहीं हो पा रही है, which is one fault line. So how can we move ahead now? Some of the suggestions mentioned in the article were, firstly, we can collaborate with Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity, IPEF. So there can be greater cooperation with this organization. Also, amongst the member of BIMSTEC, 3 member countries, they are very important and they hold special responsibility now. One is Thailand, because it represents Southeast Asia. Another member is Bangladesh, which will be the host of Secretariat. Another important country is our country, which is the largest state of South Asia. So these three countries hold special responsibility when it comes to progress of BIMSTEC. So this was what was discussed in the article. Any other suggestions are welcomed in the comment section below. Thank you, everyone.